Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 1st June 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. Let us start off by first taking a look at Nifty. The NSE index opened mostly flat with a positive bias today before correcting to lower levels and trading in the red for most of the trading session. Nifty closed lower by 0.70% or 161.15 points to end at 23,382.60 as the index breached both support levels mentioned today morning. Today's correction was mostly due to fresh escalations in the Middle East as conflict arose between Israel and Lebanon, corresponding increase in crude prices, persistent FII outflows, and a weak rupee. Most sectors ended in the red today, with FMCG and auto being the biggest laggards. The IT and media sectors ended in the green, with the latter gaining due to Zee Entertainment getting broadcast rights for the FIFA World Cup 2026. Volatility moved up slightly. Given the correction seen today, supports will now be at 23,260, followed by 23,110, while resistances will be at 23,400, followed by 23,540. For tomorrow, since the NSE index closed below a crucial level placed at 23,400, negative momentum may be expected to continue. However, value buying as well as short covering may cause Nifty to reverse course. Consolidation within a range may be expected to continue. And since the index is currently near the lower end of the trading range, chances of a reversal to the positive side seems higher. Nifty may be expected to be bullish if 24,000 is reclaimed on the upside, while bearish sentiment may be expected below 23,260. Let us now check out how Sensex traded today. Sensex fared slightly better than Nifty as it fell by 0.68% or 508 points to close at approximately 74,267. After today's correction, supports for the BSE index will now be at 74,190, followed by 73,740, while resistances will be at 74,600, followed by 75,135. The BSE index may be expected to regain positive momentum above 76,645, while a break below 74,190 could lead to lower levels. Now, for a look at what has been happening for crude oil. Crude oil prices seem to be on an uptick today as the commodity trades with a positive bias. Escalations in the Middle East between Israel and Lebanon have added to uncertainty at the counter, once again with the US trying to mediate a resolution. Volatility at the energy counter is lower than that on Friday, but still elevated. Given the recent spike seen in crude oil prices, supports will now be at 8,565, followed by 8,440, while resistances will be at 8,755, followed by 8,880. For today, crude oil may be expected to maintain positive momentum unless news of de-escalation in the Middle East crops up. The commodity may be expected to trade within a range with a positive bias, and traders may take a buy-the-dip approach with an eye on updates from the West Asia conflict. The energy counter may regain further bullish momentum above the latter resistance placed at 8,880, while a break below 8,440 may send the commodity tumbling further. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. PTC Industries shares surged nearly 20% after the company reported a strong Q4 performance. Net profit jumped 144% year-on-year to nearly 60 crore rupees, driven by robust growth in its high-precision engineering and aerospace businesses. Textile stocks rallied sharply after the government announced import duty relief measures aimed at reducing input costs for the sector. Shares of Arvind gained around 6% and hit a fresh 52-week high as investors cheered the positive impact on profitability and margins. Aadhar Housing Finance outlined an ambitious growth roadmap, targeting assets under management of over 50,000 crore rupees by FY29. The company closed FY26 with an AUM of 30,571 crore rupees and remains focused on expanding its affordable housing finance portfolio across India. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 3 p.m., Mr. Amol Chape will be conducting a webinar on the topic Buying Strategy SL Hunting plus Fibonacci Retracement, combined for high probability entries. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Shetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Smart Momentum Setup for High Probability Option Buying Strategy. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.